Rainforest Lumina. Of all the zoos in the world, Singapore Zoo is one of the finest of its kind. Here, animals are made to interact with their natural ecosystem. Once they are locked in their dwells at night, another world unlocks for the tourists. And that is the stunning Rainforest Lumina. Tourists visit this place not only for the animals, but to experience the spine-chilling yet so awe-striking jaunt through the dark, which they refer to the multimedia interactive night walk. This is the Garden of Virtues. Here, 8 traits are listed and tourists can choose one among them before the night walk begins. The list goes like creativity, resilience, generosity, courage, teamwork, playfulness, passion, and patience. This is the luminous pathway, an amazing universe of laser lights. Rainforest Lumina then takes you to the next spot, Sing Like Animal. Tourists can blare through the microphone and then appears outlines and sketches of different animals. To walk through the shadowy gleams of bamboo is a real fascinating experience. Another enthralling spot is the Call of the Wild, where the magic land you wanted to elope to in your childhood becomes real and existent. One cannot have enough of this waterfall conveyed by LED lights. This area of Rainforest Lumina is known as the Shimmering Islands. Play Like an Animal is another nostalgic spot here. Awakening the child within, the animals jump along with you. Near the lake is a walkway which promises you a walk to remember forever. named as Fireway. This is yet another walkway in Rainforest Lumina. Tourists can visit the place till 11 at night.